At Autel Robotics, we push the boundaries of modern flight, exploring the unknown with unparalleled performance. This is the EVO II Series, ushering in a new era of aerial shooting. EVO II, the world's first 8K foldable drone, brings you unmatched video resolution and 48 megapixel stills to capture the world with more detail than ever before. Featuring 10-bit A-log color profile, EVO II records up to 1 billion colors. Its stunning 4K HDR video stands out with increased dynamic range, delivering top-of-the-line image quality that you'll covet after experiencing. The powerful phase detection autofocus function and 120 FPS slow-motion video capabilities are an ideal combination for high-speed shooting. Thanks to 4x lossless zoom and defogging mode, EVO II is perfect for capturing your subject from a distance without missing a single detail. If EVO II is all about detail, then EVO II Pro is all about professional users. It commands a powerful 20-megapixel 1-inch sensor and the f2.8 adjustable aperture, capturing stunning aerial photos with brilliant color and controlled lighting. With excellent low-light performance, EVO II Pro provides incomparable night view footage. Equipped with a FLIR camera, EVO II Dual provides visible and thermal imaging with remarkable performance, perfect for commercial and first responder use. Featuring Autel Robotics' latest flight control system, the EVO II Series offers an unparalleled flight experience. So intuitive, every flight seems effortless. Our new airframe is covered with 12 optical cameras, achieving stunning omnidirectional obstacle avoidance by creating an accurate 3D map of the environment in real time with automatic intelligent path planning. Aided by a dual-core powered object detection system, EVO II recognizes up to 64 subjects at once, allowing for immediate pinpoint tracking. With up to 40 minutes of flight time, a maximum speed of 72 kilometers per hour, and a 9-kilometer range, the sky is no longer the limit. Unmatched performance, resolution, and computer vision. The future is now the present. This is EVO II Series.